Good morning. It is Monday, the 26th of August, 2019. In this episode, I want to do a 3 or 4 minute video on DIGIX Gold Tokens and that you can now spend them via Visa Debit Card through some partnerships that they've recently set up. Quick look at our disclaimer. You can pause the video to read through it. I want to say thank you to Old Scott from our Discord chat. He brought this token up a long time ago and talked about it. He really likes it because every token represents 1 gram of gold. So every DIGIX token represents 1 gram of gold, and you can exchange this token for physical grade gold bullion on site, both in Canada, I guess, and in Singapore, and probably through the mail as well. And as I was going through Blockfolio this morning on my phone, and I was going through some of the news that's on there, I thought, this is really interesting about the token, and I want to do a video about this and a continuing stream of videos on whatever tickles my fancy for these cryptocurrencies and what is changing the world finances that we could profit from. And I'm really interested in these gold tokens because look at the weekly price of gold here. This is an enormous ascending wedge triangle breakout, and it may be volatile for a while, but the overall trend now is bullish in gold. And if we can take our Bitcoin and turn it into assets like gold and profit from those over time, I'm all into that. And the only place I found information of where you can go and actually buy this token for me that I found is this ETHFINEX. And there's a link in the description down below if you want to go and check out ETHFINEX. The way this is set up is through Monolith so that you can use Monolith's token card. So this is summoning the power of the token economy and is setting it up so that you can spend your tokens through a Visa Debit Card everywhere that Visa is accepted. So you can exchange your Ethereum-based tokens to fiat and load them onto the debit card. And I want to know if your tokens stay in tokens until you swipe it at the store for whatever you're buying, or do you switch it to fiat and then you've got fiat on your card and then you're swiping it as you go. Those are really big distinctions for me, is whether or not my token stays as a token and I only spend a part of my token as I do in exchange. And so if you've got any answers about what Monolith's token card does, you can leave those in the description down below. I would be very keen to learn more about that myself. And here we can go over to CoinMarketCap and search out DGX, and we can learn more about where it's traded. So we can see here that the price in US dollar and the market cap is going up, but the price versus Bitcoin is staying pretty low on DGX token, which for me is an opportunity to be turning Bitcoin into a token that's going to be going up more perhaps than Bitcoin over time. Because gold, if we can double dip like that where we're using our Bitcoin to trade gold, I think there's a way to double dip on that. Grow as Bitcoin is going up, grow as gold is going up, so we get both of them. The other way I do that is over on simplefx.com, where you can take leveraged long positions using your Bitcoin and make some money with your Bitcoin, make more Bitcoin. So you can trade gold instead of trading alts. So this is where I wanted to go back to. The DIGIX token is available for trading at ETHFINEX, and it's got very low volume right now. Is 1 gram of gold worth $65? This is something I want to go and check out and watch this as it goes along. So I'm definitely going to go and buy some DGD tokens, DGX tokens, and sit on these as part of my gold investment. And I'll report back on that as we go along. So that's all I wanted to share in this video, nice and short, so that we are just going over something that is a leverageable asset that we could use to make money as cryptocurrency enthusiasts. And aside from that, the August cryptocurrency bull market watch spreadsheet is showing us that the alts are pulled back from their bullishness a little bit. They were really going up the last few days, but with Bitcoin's surge in prices off of this 200 period moving average on the 12-hour chart, really amazing spot for Bitcoin to be taking off. And that is really bullish for Bitcoin, which may be very bearish for the alts right now. If you're interested in more of that kind of research, you can click on the links down below and connect up with our cryptocurrency trading community. That's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next time when I find something cool in the cryptos to do another quick live stream about. Cheers, and I wish you all the best this week in your crypto trading.